DIY self-centering drill guide. Measure and cut a wooden block. Drill a center hole. Insert some kind of steel guide. Make an equal distance stop on each side. Stop, center, stop, using the final product. Centered hole. Same result, exactly in the center. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.